wondered how websites rank on Google? Today, we'll demystify the process for you. You see, there's an unsung hero behind the scenes, making sure your favorite sites pop up when you need them. Its name, SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is like the backstage crew of a theater production, working tirelessly to ensure the stars, in this case websites, shine brightly under the search engine spotlight. But why is SEO so important? Imagine having a beautifully designed website that no one can find. It's like a hidden gem, buried deep beneath a mountain of online content. SEO is the map that leads users to your site. It increases the visibility of your website on search engines, ensuring that your site isn't just another drop in the digital ocean. Now that we've understood what SEO is, let's dive into how it works. SEO might seem complex, but it can be broken down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Let's dive in. The first stage is keyword research. Imagine you're a detective looking for the terms your audience uses when they're on the hunt for your content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find those vital clues. Next, we move on to optimizing title tags and meta descriptions. Think of these as your website's shop window. They're what show up in search engine results, so they need to be enticing and relevant. Content is king, as they say. It needs to be valuable, engaging, and most importantly, peppered with your chosen keywords. But remember, don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Finally, we have backlinks. These are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your website's credibility in the eyes of search engines. Now that we've learned the process, how about understanding how to implement it? Scene script. Ready to start implementing SEO on your website? Here's how. Step 1 is conducting keyword research. This is where tools like Google Keyword Planner come in handy. You'll need to find out what your potential customers are searching for online and then use these keywords in your website's content. Next, it's time to optimize that content. This involves making sure your keywords appear in the right places, your titles, headings, and throughout your text. But remember, it's not just about stuffing in keywords. Your content should still be engaging and valuable to your audience. Then comes building backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours, and they can significantly boost your search engine ranking. Reach out to other websites and blogs in your industry and ask if they'd be willing to link to your content. Remember, SEO is a continuous process. It requires regular optimization and upkeep to stay ahead of your competition. So you've implemented SEO, but how can you tell if it's working? Monitoring your SEO progress is key to understanding its effectiveness. You've optimized your website and now you're wondering, what's next? Well, it's time to start tracking your efforts. There are numerous ways to monitor your SEO progress. One of the most popular tools is Google Analytics. It's like a crystal ball that lets you see who's visiting your website, how they're getting there, and what they're doing once they land. It's a treasure trove of data that can help you fine-tune your SEO strategy. But that's not all. There are also other tools that allow you to keep an eye on your website's ranking changes. These tools can help you understand which keywords are performing well and which ones might need a little more work. Regular monitoring and making adjustments based on these results is vital. SEO isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of refinement and improvement. Now you have the tools to optimize your website for search engines and monitor the progress. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep optimizing, keep analyzing, and you'll see the results over time.